We're excited to guide you through the installation of your Light Traveler's modular roof rack. Let's get started. These are all the parts that will come in your roof rack kit. Step 1. Slide the provided roof rail sliders into the roof rails of your van. Place 4 sliders on each roof rail, positioning them where you'd like to install the crossbars, depending on your configuration. Step 2. Install the crossbars and secure them with the washers and nuts provided in the kit. Don't tighten them just yet. Step 3. Place the 2 sidebars on each side and connect them with the connector brackets provided, using nuts and bolts. Step 4. Position the sidebars against the sides of the crossbars. Secure them using the slots on each crossbar using the bolts provided. First, hand tighten them all the way, and then use an impact driver or an Allen key to securely fasten them. Repeat the same on the other side. Step 5. Install the LT rear piece into the holes on the side of each sidebar at the back. Secure it using the provided bolts. Remember to follow the same procedure. Hand tighten first, and then use an impact driver or Allen key to ensure a tight fit. Step 6. Attach the LT front piece to the holes located at the front of each sidebar. Use the same technique. Ensure that the rubber at the bottom of the LT front is nearly touching the van, approximately 1/8 of an inch. Now it's time to adjust the crossbars if necessary and tighten the bolts. Step 7. To install the side lights, pass the cables through the slot where you'd like to place the lights. Secure them using the provided bolts and nuts, ensuring they are firmly tightened. You've successfully installed your Light Traveler's roof rack. Enjoy your new and enhanced vehicle. Thanks for choosing Light Travelers.